Lots of clouds moving into the area here today. Rain soon to follow through the night, but it should remain on the light side here as we've got a relatively weak frontal boundary headed our way. It'll cross the region through the wee hours of the morning. We see the bulk of the moisture moving ashore to our south today. And again, this is mainly mid and upper level moisture. Not a lot of rain, even in the Bay Area. Less across the north coast where just a trace of precip fell here and there. A few returns continue in the offshore waters. That'll be crossing the region tonight. But again, we'll look for those rainfall amounts to be on the light side. The most significant feature will be cooler temperatures across the area here the next couple days. Today we topped out in the mid to low 50s along the shoreline. Same scenario out across the interior. Gasky a little warmer than everybody else at 59. Crescent City Airport 53. On Humboldt Bay 52 today. Neeland cool 49. We're going to look at snow levels here by tomorrow morning down to about 2,500 to 3,000 feet. So we could see a dusting of snow in the local mountains, but there's not going to be enough precipitation to amount to much in the way of any snowfall accumulation. Again, we're just looking at the tail end of what's left of this system here moving across the area tonight. So we can expect rainfall amounts to remain on the light side. There goes the bulk of the energy, kind of two waves setting up here. We'll catch the second wave tonight, and then the cooler air will settle in here through the day tomorrow. By Thursday comes this next round of precipitation, which promises to be a little juicier. That'll move into the area Thursday night into Friday. Once again, we'll expect some measurable rainfall amounts in the half-inch range for most locations. Computer models pretty much in sync with that forecast as tomorrow's moisture slides quickly to the south, leaving us clearing out by tomorrow night into Wednesday. But by Thursday comes the next round of precipitation to head in our direction, and that'll be here just in time for the end of the week. For tonight, we'll look for mid to low 40s at the coast, upper 30s to low 40s. Out across the interior, again, snow levels lowering to about 2,500 feet in some of the inland valleys with daytime highs tomorrow. Low 50s at the coast, upper 40s to low 50s. Out across the interior and in the offshore waters, we can expect winds tomorrow out of the north, 5 to 15 knots. Swell running westerly, 7 to 8 feet. And as we get a look at the 7-day forecast here, we see again showers tapering off early tomorrow, only to return late Wednesday into Thursday, continuing into the end of the week here before we dry it out again, just in time for the weekend. Looks like Thursday's frontal boundary will likely produce about a half of an inch of rain across most locations here. Snow levels to remain on the low side, so we could be looking at winter travel conditions above about 2,500 feet again through the end of the week, but nothing compared to the 2 feet of snow they saw on the East Coast here this weekend. Taking a look right now at our 3-degree contestant for tonight, Richard Gilbert of Realdale, looking for $30 from Corky. We'll see how that plays out coming up tomorrow night. So kind of a ho-hum weekend as far as sports, huh? Nothing
Nothing at all. Hey, your 49ers didn't
how'd they do?
They were watching at home like the rest of us.
Be careful. It's kind of a sore spot for Leslie.
Yes.
Big Colts fans.
Yes. Let's just move on.
So
Saints
yesterday.
Does that mean no sports tonight? I can just...
Well, sport, everything but the Super Bowl.
Okay. I'll see what I can do. But just, maybe just go relax for a little bit. Yeah, and I'll take a break. We're going to return tonight. The Raiders have added a new member to their coaching staff and local high school athletes. Give it their all on the court. Stay with us. Sports is next.
Weather 24 hours a day, go to KIEM-TV.com and click on the weather webcast for your North Coast weather and forecast. Brought to you by Blue Lake Casino.